It's a Wishing Wednesday on our Namibian Food Forest homestead. Anton is burning a bit of trash for us, and I think he's gonna work here at the house around the homestead today. There's some few things to sort out. Last night I got the car sorted and it's back to its owner, and unfortunately we don't have the car today, so it is what it is. These are our old solar panels that we got from somebody. Some of them worked, some not, but altogether they did their job for quite a while, and then the rain damaged them. So it's a mess. Don't know which is working, which is not. Haven't been using them a while. Haven't gotten to them in a while. These four are semi-sufficient for now. Proper new panels. So Anton is removing these panels for us now. Finally. Getting it on the ground that we can test it and see which ones works, which ones doesn't. I'm having an idea to put a few of them up at Kabasha 2 sometime, so that the guys have light there and can charge their phones there. But that's far in the future, but that's the plan with these panels. And while I'm up here on the living roof, well, the cement roof for now, yeah, the cement and the clay doesn't mix so well together. We'll have to replaster some parts, definitely, before we can put the product on here that I'm hoping to put on here. Yeah, more to come in the future regarding this situation. But so far it's worked. It was cheap. It's what I was able to do. So if it works, it works. All the panels are off the roof. Anton is going to clean them, and then we're going to pack them away for now. So this is our makeshift storage room. Quite a mess. Don't really want to show you in there, but let's see what Anton can do. You might have seen a lot of bottles there. We want to build up between these two roofs with bottles, so that, especially green bottles, so that we have nice sunlight coming through there. It takes a lot of pebbles to get the full picture. Metaphorically speaking, I've been sorting pebbles for about 25 years now. It's taking a lot more pebbles than I expected. I doubt I even have enough for the full picture. If you see this, I trust you know what I'm talking about. I'm here not because of timeout today, but hopefully it stays up. We'll see how long. And if I really have to spell it out for you, I'm talking about checking out the very last link in the description. It's a very short one. I heard you don't have time for watching 8 minutes, so that one is below 5. Well, it's looking a lot better. At least the stuff is together. Yes, I think these trays we can just burn it. It's freaking useless. And those large bottles, I want to make rum from sugarcane one day. We're here at block 7. I've gotten filming rights in here today. Since we have to work in here today, we're going to extend these raised beds quickly. So here on the end, they will be extended to about here. It's all in preparation for when we are getting drip lines hopefully soon, that we can have these under drip lines and make Boo's life easier, and yeah, just automate things. These two raised beds are getting along. First we're filling it with some old sand from a cow pen, and then compost on top. This is some natural aloe growing here. Been here since the beginning. Anton finished up the two there at the head, and this one will be extended on this side as well a bit. Anton did a very nice job here. I'm so happy these beds are extended and they're looking very proper. For the last few hours of the afternoon, Anton is pushing on here. This swale is inching towards the west slowly but surely, and I think tomorrow Anton will continue here for us for a whole day. We will see. Here's a few of my lemongrass cuttings. They're not doing so well as always. I don't know what their story is. And I finally sorted out all these dragon fruits, so hopefully a few of them takes. And yesterday I forgot to point out, this is what the sun, this is only afternoon sun on this dragon fruit, and that's what the sun does to the dragon fruit. So unfortunately we can't plant dragon fruit just anywhere. It needs a bit of shade. While I'm watching a bit of life here, I want to quickly remind you about the Living Earth Expo that is in Windhoek in about a month from now, 25-26 April. Check it out. Little donkey there. Roland, there's a little donkey for you. Man, I don't know what to say. 20 coffees. Thank you very much. Yes, man, that's a lot of money for us here in Namibia. Thank you. We're going to spend it wisely. It's not our donkeys, by the way. And Erwin Wortman, thank you for becoming a member. We appreciate it very much. Thank you. Thank you all for your support. I'm worthless. Roland, check this out. If you didn't like the little donkey, this is the very first fruits on our guavadilla. Oh, there I'm breaking one off. Nice. But there's fruits. It's the first fruits. Wow, awesome. Fantastic. And thank you very much.